Good morning, folks. I'm Akshat Jalan, and I'm here to speak on the topic stress and realities behind startups. We constantly idolize and celebrate those who succeed in the entrepreneurial journey, but seldom do we ask ourselves, how did he get there? In reality, most of the time, they've gone through a lot of stress, feeling insecure, fighting depression, still putting in every drop of blood and sweat in their venture. This reminds me of the time I was starting up. Uh, I used to train my initial team of people by showing them how to wash cars by washing cars myself. In the apartment I live, a lot of affluent families live with us. All these uncle and aunties used to stand in the balconies, passing judgy looks, and they used to ask me, Beta, why are you getting into an industry which is not meant for us? These are odd jobs, and this is not something you should be doing. You have a lucrative job which you're already doing, and there's no point in quitting the job and starting up a car washing company because I don't think it's of any use. To which I used to always reply, you'll get to know one day. The time allotted is very short to cover this topic at length, but I'll try to summarize it in some points. Most of the founders develop an I am my company syndrome. They start taking things personally. These people lose themselves building their venture. They experience an emotional roller coaster ride of the company as a personal journey. Founders are more likely to develop mental health conditions than others because of these emotional roller coaster rides they face. Another point is financial risk. Founders are the first to go without a paycheck. They often invest a lot of their personal resources into their venture, which means that if the business fails, it means financial ruin for themselves. Another stress that people and founders face is isolation. When a founder is starting up, they tend to a million tasks and they can't spend much time with their families, friends, and significant others. This develops an emotional strain on the relationships and they start developing a feeling of loneliness, burnout. Founders easily get into a never not working mentality. They always want to work. They miss out on opportunities of rest, having fun, and connecting with other human beings. Often being sleep deprived, over caffeinated, and emotionally disengaged. All of these feelings of depression, fear, stress, anxiety, and enormous workload could take a toll on their health. And they develop ailments like diabetes and blood pressure early in life. All these being said, a founder must never forget why he started. Nobody's taller than the last man standing. There is great power in starting. Dream big, start small, and begin now. Onwards and upwards from your friends. Thank you.